Hi everyone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn the how to use the checkbox in a Selenium WebDriver. So we have to automate the checkbox. So the scenario will be like there are four checkboxes, out of which two checkbox are already selected, and then we have to write the script to select the checkbox that are not selected. Those checkbox are not selected, so we need to select the checkbox using the Selenium WebDriver. We need to write the code script. We need to write the script for the Selenium script. Let me open the script. Let me go to the script. We have to write the script for HTML source code. I'm going to show you. Let me open this one. Just right click on it and then go to the. So I had already written the script. So this is the HTML source code. So I have given the input. Input is the tag name and attribute name and attribute value I have given for the checkbox. So this one for I check the checkbox is enabled here. So input I have given the this name of the checkbox. So these are the input types I have created over here. Let me go to the save as. Just I am giving the checkbox.html. Okay. Let me go to the I just saved over here. So this is my application. So just open with, go to the Chrome browser. So here our scenario will be already two checkboxes are selected. I need to select this C and D. So initially what I will do, I will then just right click on it, inspect the element. We have to identify the XPath of that. So I'm just copying this element. So press the Control F. Okay. Then tag name called as input. I'm just taking input. I'm writing the XPath of the checkbox. So I'm just taking the attribute value, XPath by attribute. Kindly refer the previous videos. You will understand uh, how to take the elements for identifying the XPath. Try to write your own XPath. So here I have four elements. Okay. Okay. Let me. Let me open the Eclipse. So same already I created a project over here. I'm just going to take the. I'm going to create on class name. Okay. Just box. So select the public static requirement. Click on finish. Okay. What I will do, I will take same script because I had already written the. Okay. So just removing this element, I'm adding the previous script. So I will be going to change the URL of that. I'm just copy this URL. I'm just pasting it over here. Now I have to write the XPath of the checkbox. Driver dot find. So here I have a list of web elements are presented. So I am going to take the find elements. So by dot xpath. So what I will do, I will just give this xpath. Okay, I added over here. So what I will do, I will create one variable. I want to store those values. Just over on it, create a local variable. Okay, this is a list of the web element. The list of web element is the list. Now I will going to write the script. So in this case, I am just going to use the for loop for each. Okay, so I will just storing into the here whatever that these checkbox are available. I'll be adding into C. Okay, checkbox. Just I will type that. Okay, so this is the web element. Okay, so in our case, the two checkboxes are already selected. Remaining, I need to select that. So, okay, using the if statement. So, I will just take this one. So, here list of options are available. So, option is enabled, is selected, and get CSS value. Okay, what I will do, I will select. I will be going to take this one is selected. Okay. Okay. So here I will write checkbox is already selected. Okay. Yes. So if checkbox is not selected, and click it. Okay. So here I will add this checkbox. I'm just clicking it. Okay. This is what I have written the script. Okay. Save it. Then run the script. Okay, the Chrome browser successfully launched. Then it is going to enter the URL. It has been entered. Then see all checkbox are enabled. Okay, this is what the script I had written over here. So the script also it see the checkbox is not selected. Then click it. So this is what I have done in the script. Kindly I am requesting you to subscribe this channel. More videos I'll be adding into the upcoming videos. Thank you.